Lord, welcome back. So today I'm doing a throttle body on this 2007 Chevy Tahoe. So right here I have the new throttle body from AutoZone. So this is the new one right here, guys. You can take a look on it. That's it. Brand new throttle body. So also come with a seal. So I'm going to show you what to do. So you're gonna need a flat pan screwdriver to remove this hose from the air cleaner. Go to the intake. But first you need to remove this cover. Just gonna pry it up, just like this, guys, and take a tap and fish it out, just like that, guys. So now I can be able to remove the throttle body. So let me get to this flat pan screw first. So now I loose it up and get this out the way. There's a hose. I'll go right here and turn on the light. Right here I can see a crack right here, so this gonna need to replace. That's right there, it's cracked. So this is the hose. I'll start focus on that part later. So let me also remove this screw, this clamp right here. Get it loose, so I'll pry it up over this rubber, just like that, guys. Pull it off. I can get it out of the way. There's a clamp right here, clip. I need to get this clip out of the way. Or we get a prying tool, or I'm just use this long nose pliers to get it loose. Alright, so I get it loose right there. So I get this out the way. Alright, so get that piece out the way. So right there, guys. Also, there's a damage on the throttle body, so it seems like something through this wire, maybe a rat or a squirrel or something, but something going on right here. So I'm going to press this clip right here and pull it off, just like that, guys. And right here I have some 10 bolts, so I have 4 of them I need to remove. So let me get a 10 socket, put it on my impact driver, get them loose. Alright, so that's one nut right there. That's the bolt. That's another bolt right there. So I tried 2 nuts and 2 bolts. And there you go. So I'll put these bolts right there, so don't lose them. The throttle body. And there you go. This one's super dirty. So let me remove that screw, but I need to clean off the surface. So I'm gonna use some brake cleaner to carburetor throat cleaner, throttle body cleaner. So let me just clean off the end. Alright. So now I need to remove that piece right there, that seal. Put a new one. Alright. Get a new one right there. Go down. Go way down here. Alright, so let me pause the video and get that seal in. Alright, so now I get the new seal in. So let me install the throttle body. Alright, so lock back this bolt. Alright, so I'm going to check back those bolts. See if they're okay. Use this angle. Let's drop on them a little more. Don't want to ring them off with that impact driver. Alright, on there, go right there. Right now, so I just have this one to fix. Let me see what it is. Alright, so in this case I can just tape it. It should be okay. So I'm going to put some electrical tape on it, and that's it. Alright, so now I put some tape on it and fix it. So let's hook out the wire, just like that, guys. So I need to get this line started out. So guys, that's how you change your throttle body in your 2007 Chevy Tahoe. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.